So there was an issue when deleting a node. So what I was doing previously, like to remove that specific item from the list and also notify item change from that position because it was crashing. Then later on I change it into this one. Like, let me show you the difference. So later on I change to this one, like to remove, like I will have a separate variable as a list. I assign empty list initially, then we get the list of nodes, so I assign that nodes to that list, and also passing that to the adapter as well. But in the delete node, I also removing that specific node from the list and also updating the whole list. So that was not really a optimized solution because it also required one variable as well to holding the list of nodes. So it will also consume the memory as well, and also there is another problem as well. So every time if I delete a node, so it will update the whole list. Suppose you are having 200 nodes. If you want to delete any of the nodes, so it will update the whole list. So I don't want to do that. In that case, I was doing some research and I found out that there is one line which can fix that issue, and that line is that the item animator. There is a bug that in RecyclerView which is not fixed. So when I assign the null, it start working with this method. Like if I want to remove any of the item, so it will remove from that position and also notify on that position item list instead of loading the whole list and notify the whole adapter. So that's how I fix that issue, and let me show you it's working or not. I will delete the last item, and then I will delete the middle one, and I delete first one, and I delete this one. So that's how it starts working again. So that's it for this video.